Tweetie here with links down below in the description and playlists for you. Start introducing the habit of questioning why. That 2-year-old why question is a very good thing, and the skill to find out the answer. How to question the authorities is no right or wrong answer. Conversation is a good way to accomplish this skill. So if somebody says XYZ, you say why. Have them completely tell you what their reasoning is for their position. And it could be about what they want for dinner tonight, what color clothes they want to wear, right down to the size of shoes they're wearing. There's all different kinds of questions and things as to ask why. And that's partly what we're doing on this channel, is giving you a whole bunch of whys. Anyway, if you've liked this tip, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you may. Want more of these? And we thank you for stopping by. Angels all around.